Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, podcast about human first concept. State Standard of Belarus approved the first standards for UST string transport. 5 amazing features of the U-Light complex. Let us not waste time and get straight to the first event. A new podcast with Alexei Sukhadoev, co-founder of the SWC social venture ecosystem, has been released on the platform. In a candid conversation, Alexei shares his personal story, the values and principles that formed the foundation of the community, and explains why the human-first philosophy is not just a trend, but the basis for sustainable growth. Don't miss the opportunity to hear an expert's view of the world. The State Committee for Standardization of the Republic of Belarus has officially approved the national standard for the UST technology. The regulatory document will become legally effective on the 1st of July 2025. The standard establishes key terms and definitions of the technology. Its adoption is a strategically important stage in the implementation of innovative transport in urban infrastructure. We reveal important and interesting details about the company's first commercial project. How lightweight is its construction compared to other UST systems? What is its record-breaking energy efficiency? What is its speed compared to its equivalents? Experts of the UST Media Center told everything in the article. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you next time.